Hello student, good morning. I am Dr. Ajay Kumar Sinha, Professor of Chemistry. Today I am going to discuss heroin. Heroin, Heroin. This is very popular word among youngsters or youths all over the world. They should know actually real fact of heroin. But to understand the heroin, you should understand about the morphine. What is morphine? First I will discuss. Then I will come to heroin. What is morphine? Morphine actually it is used as narcotic analgesics. It is a drug. Morphine is a drug. Morphine and many of its homologs, when administered in medicinal doses, relieve pain and produce sleep. In poisonous doses, means in more quantities, these produce stupor, coma, convulsions, and ultimately death. Again you listen. Morphine and many of its homologs, when administered in medicinal doses, relieve pain and produce sleep. In poisonous doses, means in more quantities, these produce stupor, coma, convulsions, and ultimately death. Morphine narcotics are sometimes referred to as opiates since they are obtained from opium poppy. These analgesics are chiefly used for the relief of post-operative pain, cardiac pain means heart pain, and pains of terminal cancer and in childbirth. Its a molecular formula. Morphine molecular formula is C17H19NO3. Here N means nitrogen. Means in 1 mole there are 17 atoms of carbon, 19 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of nitrogen, and 3 atoms of oxygen. Its molecular weight or molecular mass, you can tell 285.34 gram per mole. Means mass of 1 mole of morphine is 285.34 gram. Means you can understand meaning of this molecular mass. You can understand water molecule, what you drink. Suppose you are drinking 2 glass water, means roughly 180 ml. 180 ml water means 200 ml you can think. If you are drinking water 200 ml means how many moles are there? You will get idea. 18 gram means 18 gram or roughly 18 ml. That is 1 mole. Means here 11 mole you can tell, 11 or 12 mole of water you are drinking. If roughly 200 ml water you are drinking, it means 18 gram means 1 mole. 18 gram roughly you can consider as 18 milliliter or 20 ml just for your rough point of view. means 20 into 10 200 means 20 mole of water you are drinking. If 200 ml water you are taking means 20 ml roughly 20 mole of water you are drinking. Then in that way that is 18 gram means 1 mole for water, but here you can see 285.34 gram per mole. It is a big molecule. Then I told about the this molecular weight of morphine and molecular formula of morphine. Its chemical name is benzyl isoquinoline alkaloid. Its chemical name is benzyl isoquinoline alkaloid and is the most abundant opiate present in opium. Here I want to tell you that regarding the use, actually this is used in very less quantity, very less, according to the weight of a person or patient. Okay, suppose a person's weight is 70 kg, 80 kg like that. In that sense, 0.1 milligram to 0.2 milligram per kg, accordingly it is used. 0.1 milligram to 0.2 milligram per kg. In so less quantity it is used, but one should not use without prescription. One should use according to the advice of doctors. Okay, and here one more things I want to you that this opioid drugs, these are the actually opioid drugs. Then these opioids drugs are the best and strongest pain reliever. Okay, means this I am talking about what I discussed. If it is used in a medicinal quantity, then it is the best and strongest pain reliever. Opioid drugs are the best and strongest pain reliever. Don't forget, but you don't become doctor. Okay, you should just consult the doctor before use, or you can use as per advice of doctor. This I have discussed about the morphine. Now I want to discuss about heroin. Heroin, also known as diacetyl morphine, and other way you can tell dimorphine also. Heroin, also known as diacetyl or dimorphine, is a morphine opioid substance derived from the dried latex papaver somniferum plant. It is the name of the plant, somniferum plant. Okay, it is you will get it from the dried latex papaver somniferum plant and is mainly used as a recreational drug for its euphoric effect. Medical grade dimorphine is used as a pure hydrochloric salt. Heroin is used medically in several countries to relieve pain, such as during childbirth or heart attack, as well as in opioid replacement therapy. Heroin, commonly called smack, you might have heard the name of smack, S-M-A-C-K, smack. Heroin, commonly called smack, is chemically diacetyl morphine, which is a white, odorless, betel crystalline compound. This is obtained by acetylation of morphine. And it's a IUPAC name, means a systematic name. IUPAC means International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry. IUPAC, all over the world, this substance will be known by this name only. Then what is IUPAC name of heroin? Then it is a long name. It is actually big compound, and its name is long because many groups are attached to this compound. Then its name is 5 alpha, 6 alpha, 7, 8 dihydro, 4, 5 epoxy, 17 methyl morphinan, 3, 6 diol acetate. Again I am telling one more time: 5 alpha, 6 alpha, 7, 8 dihydro, 4, 5 epoxy, 17 methyl morphinan, 3, 6 diol acetate. I have told the meaning this some number 5 alpha, 6 alpha, 7, 8, 4, 5 like that. Then these are actually are the number of carbon atoms. Number of carbon atoms. At these carbon atom, some specific groups are attached. Okay, then according to their position, name has been given. All over the world, its name is like this, because common name may vary, but this name is fixed all over the world. Okay, if you will compare with morphine in action, then you will find, if suppose it is administered to the patient for acute pain, then heroin is 2 to 4 times more potent, means more stronger, okay, more powerful than heroin, than morphine. Means heroin is 2 to 4 times more powerful than morphine and faster in onset of action. Heroin, also known as brown sugar, this is also popular word, brown sugar. Okay, then heroines are also actually many you can say morphines are there, different types are there, heroines are there. Then these are also known as brown sugar. Heroin is also known as brown sugar. They are used as recreational drugs and are highly addictive. And its molecular weight, means heroin molecular weight is 369.416 gram per mole. It is its weight is more than heroin, molecular weight is more than morphine. Okay, its heroin molecular weight is 369.4176 gram per mole. It is the exact way. And molecular formula, that is a C21H23NO5. NO5 means in 1 mole 21 carbon atoms are there, 23 hydrogen atoms are there, 1 nitrogen is there, and 5 oxygen atoms are there. Okay, this I have told you about the molecular weight and molecular formula. Now actually I want to discuss one more compound, a similar compound of the same family. But before going to that compound, I want to tell more about this morphine and heroin. Actually, these are very good. These drugs are very, very important drugs and very useful drugs. But unfortunately, they come with some severe side effects such as numbness, addiction, and respiratory depression, leading to overdose death. These are the side effects. Okay, these are unfortunately, you can tell that these are the side effects such as numbness, addiction, and respiratory depression, leading to overdose death. These are the negative points of morphine and heroin. Now, third compound which is similar to these, I am telling you, that is the codeine. Codeine, Codeine, codeine. Okay, what is codeine? Codeine. Codeine. Codeine is an opiate and prodrug of morphine, mainly used to treat pain, coughing, and diarrhea. It is also commonly used as a recreational drug. It is found naturally in the sap of the opium poppy, Papaver somniferum. It is typically used to treat mild to moderate degree of pain. Its IUPAC name is similar to heroin, that is 5A, 6A, 7,8 dihydro 4,5 epoxy 3 methoxy 17 methyl morphinium 6 all. Then here many you can say many groups are common. Okay, but they are differing, that here in the end you have seen 6 all. Correct? Here alcoholic group is attached, OH, morphinium 6 all. Again one more time I am telling you, 5 alpha, 6 alpha, 7, 8 dihydro morphinium. This 5 alpha, 6 alpha, 7, 8 dihydro 4,5 epoxy 3 methyl 17 methyl morphinium 6 all. Okay, here little differences are there, that's why it is a different. This have different property. Okay, and its a molecular formula or chemical formula is a C18 H21 NO3, means it's a this 1 mole of codeine, 1 mole of codeine, not codeine, codeine, that have 18 carbon, 21 hydrogen atom and 1 nitrogen atom and 3 oxygen atom, and its molecular weight is 299.364 gram per mole, exactly 299, roughly 300, 299.364 gram per mole. Okay, it is popularly known as, or other name is 3-methyl morphine. It is also popularly named as is known as 3-methyl morphine, shortcut name 3-methyl morphine. Now I am stopping only here. Thank you.